In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a blog post outline on Jasper AI. By the end, you'll have a clean, structured outline ready to guide a full article, and you'll know exactly which parts of Jasper to use to make it happen quickly. Start by opening Jasper in your browser and head to the home area. This is the central hub where you can kick off new tasks and see recent activity. If you're not already there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Home to make sure you're on the main dashboard. Being on Home keeps everything simple and gives you quick access to the tools we need. On the home page, find the Ask Anything input. It's designed for natural language prompts, so you don't have to worry about special commands. Click into that field to get started. This is where clarity pays off. The more specific you are about what you want, the better the outline will match your goals. Now, type your prompt. For this example, enter create a blog post outline for a blog about first-time home buying. This tells Jasper the format you want, an outline, and the topic, first-time home buying. If you're working on your own project, you could keep the same structure but substitute your subject. Details like audience or style can help, but for now we'll keep it focused and straightforward so you can see how fast the core flow is. Once your prompt is in, click Send or simply press Enter. Jasper will take a moment to process, then produce an outline based on your request. You'll typically see sections and subpoints that map to a logical reading flow, which makes drafting the full article much easier. When the result appears, choose it by clicking Use. This confirms that you want to proceed with the suggested outline. From there, click Generate Now. That action finalizes the outline and moves it into a ready-to-work state. Think of Use as selecting the best option and Generate Now as telling Jasper to put that selection into place so you can continue building from it. You'll now have a clear, organized structure tailored to first-time home buying, perfect for planning introductions, main sections, and takeaways. If anything looks slightly off, remember that small prompt tweaks can make a big difference. You can refine the wording and repeat the exact same flow to dial in tone, depth, or focus. With this simple process, Home, Ask Anything, your prompt, Send, Use, and Generate Now, you can spin up high-quality outlines in minutes and jump straight into writing with confidence.